Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a basic 3-strand braid today. Now, you want to go ahead and comb the hair out, which I have already done, but that's just how her hair looks. After you've done that, go ahead and divide the hair into 3 separate strands. You're going to be having your right strand, middle strand, and a left strand. So you kind of want to think of this as a basket. We're going to go under and over. So go ahead and take that right strand out whenever you're ready and put it underneath that middle strand. Grab that middle strand and separate it and put that right strand on top of the left strand. So just like I said, under and over. So put that right strand under the middle strand and move that middle strand out the way and put it on top of the left strand. Right strand underneath the middle strand, and you want to also tighten it as best as you can. And then once you have it under, go ahead and put it over the left strand. And then you just kind of want to repeat that process throughout the whole braid. But if you guys don't understand, basically you're going under and over each strand. So that same right strand that you had at the beginning, it's the same. It's basically just moving throughout the braid. So go ahead and repeat that process until you are done till the bottom. Now, the whole point of me creating this basic 3-strand video is actually because I want to do a series of teaching you guys how to do a Dutch braid and a French braid. So I started with the basics just in case if anyone doesn't know how to do a 3-strand braid. I hope that I explained this well enough for you guys to understand, because French braiding and Dutch braiding is a little bit more complicated. It's basically the same thing but adding strand on the sides. And don't mind my hair in the middle of the video as well. But once you've gotten to the bottom, I'm also going to show you guys how to make your braid look fuller. So as you can see, her hair isn't really too thick. So what I'm going to do is try to make it look fuller. All you really want to do is just tug the little ends of the braids. And you want to do that throughout the whole braid as well, because you don't want the top to look a little uneven towards the bottom. And another little trick for you guys is she actually has layered hair. So if you want to put gel on the braid as well, that'll probably help the flyaways stick way better. So I didn't do that just because she's about to take the braid out anyways, but just a little trick for you guys if you do decide to make your braid a little bit thicker. And thanks to you guys for watching my video today. I hope you liked it and I hope you subscribe.